Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7 students. Hope so you will be all fine with the grace of Allah Almighty, and I am your English teacher of book OPE, Oxford Progressive English. Students, as you know, in our previous lecture, we have already discussed about the Great Expectations of Text 2, and its unit number is unit number 5, Danger. On your book page number 121 and 122. So students, today we are going to attempt the exercise question answers of pages number 121 and 122. As you know, the text name is Great Expectations. Hope so you will have to complete your task of reading page number 121 and 122. So let's start further. And your exercise question answers on your book OPE, book page number 124. Let's start. Question number 1 is, why is Pip called Pip? Pip को Pip क्यों कहा जाता था? Pip is called Pip because Pip or Fripp is so difficult to say. Pip is much easier. यानी Pip को Pip इस वजह से कहा जाता था कि जो इसका रियल नेम था फ्लिप और प्रिप, इसको प्रोनाउंस करना थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट था देन द पिप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज, हु इज़ बरीड इन द चर्च यार्ड एंड हाउ डज पिप फील अबाउट देम? चर्च यार्ड में कौन बरी था और पिप उनके बारे में कैसे फील करता था? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, Pip's parents and all his younger brothers buried in the churchyard. He feels sad and misses them. यानी पिप के जो पेरेंट्स थे और जो उसके यंगर ब्रदर्स थे वो सब चर्च यार्ड में दफन थे और वो उनको सोच के उनके बारे में सैड फील करता था उनको सोचकर और उनको बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करता था. लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ डज पिप फील अबाउट लिविंग विथ हिज सिस्टर? पिप अपनी सिस्टर के साथ रहते हुए कैसा फील करता था? He does not feel good due to her rages. पिप अच्छा फील नहीं करता था अपनी सिस्टर के साथ रहना. Why? Because her rages. क्योंकि उसको गुस्सा बहुत आता था. That's why. He doesn't feel good to live with her. Why is the man so wet? Question number 4 is, why is the man so wet, scratched and muddy, and where do you think he has come from? How would the audience know where the man has come from? यानी वो आदमी कौन था और आपके ये जानने में ये ऑडियंस को ये कैसे पता चलता था कि वो कहाँ से आया है? The answer of question number 4 is, he has come from prison, the prison hulk, the old dismasted warships which were used as prison. That's why he is so wet, scratched and muddy. Question number 5 of this exercise is, why does the man jump with sudden fear when Pip points to where his mother is? The answer of this question, question number 5 is, the man jumps with sudden fear because he thinks that his mother is with him. So students, these are the 5 questions and your today's task is that you will write these answers of these questions in your notebook. Hope so you will be complete your task. Thank you so much for listening me.